Good, so should you print the T800 Arm? Yes, it's a great model. Go for it. I did it a few weeks ago, and while some impressions are running, I just talk about the findings I had. Look out with the wrist, the things where the fingers attach to, and also you may have to lay down the rods to print them easier and faster. The assembly is a lot of eyeballing and a lot of glue, and you should paint it with some reflective stuff. And when you're at it, go to an IKEA and get the vase and the LED lights. They really add the final touch to it. So that was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed the random pictures I had from the printing and stuff. Go to Thingiverse, check it out. Thanks a lot for watching.